Port side secure.
Starboard secure. Ready for tension.
All clear. Proceed with the lift.
Watch that starboard support. All clear on this side. Lowering now. Steady as she goes.
The corrosion along the waterline is worse than anticipated.
Agreed. The structural integrity in this quadrant is compromised.
Hold it steady. Watch the starboard clearance.
Copy that. Coming up slow.
Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there.
Right there, that joint is slightly off alignment.
I see it. Let me adjust the bracing.
This bearing needs another 2 millimeters to the left.
Okay, applying pressure now.
Tightening this valve now.
Careful, watch the tolerance on that seating. Right there. Check the clearance on the intake valve.
Making the adjustment now.
That's much better. Movement is consistent.
Okay, drop it in now.
Clear. Bolting in bay 3.
The valves are seating perfectly.
Right there. Agreed. The adjustments to the eccentric rods seem to have worked.
Pressure holding steady during extension.
Retraction looks good too. System is stable.
Primary connections are secure.
Verified. Applying the final tags now.
Pressure stabilizing at nominal levels.
Copy that. Bringing the secondary valve online now.
Readings confirmed.
Gauge is reading nominal pressure. Approved. The boiler is operational.
Clear the area. Panels engaging.
Confirmed alignment on this section. Moving to final checks.
Systems check complete. We are green across the board.
Acknowledged. Initiating pre-test warm-up now.
System stabilizing now. Pressure looks good.
Confirmed. We are fully operational.